Last pull wipe, 21 seconds, 99% phase 1.
Damn, we're
Just
bad.
look at our regression, guys. Can't even do the openers.
Alright. Are we ready?
Yeah, I'm gonna hit check.
Ready check.
Leak a poll just to buy my guillotine. Thanks, Mika. Appreciate it.
I'm gonna open with a cheap pot and then use the good pot later.
Yeah.
How dare you?
They're 20k a piece.
Check
How
complete.
dare you? If you can't afford rating, get out of
Pulling
here.
in 20.
True.
One just for the
Your money
rush.
should just be for
Pulling in 15.
Hey, you don't make money by spending it all, okay?
Yeah. Alright, let's
Pulling
focus
in
up.
10.
Yep.
No more
Let's do
psychology.
this.
Pulling in 5.
I'm the only one fit to protect her.
Litany. Battle voice.
This could be born from
Star
my
10.
memories. That creature is passing on its
Codian, partners.
Guardian partner.
You're no match for me.
Out.
How about you?
Check and see.
You're not going anywhere. Oh!
Adult.
Star 10.
A feeble shield protects nothing. Light claim you.
I sense a surge in the ether.
First strike's next.
Could be out in.
How about you?
Make sure that's see.
Yep.
You're not going anywhere. Oh!
I'll get a regen in one sec.
I have a regen on.
Okay.
I'm shooting him too.
Okay, thank you.
Guardian spread.
Star 10.
Ren.
Yeah, I got it.
You're no match for me.
Sorry, not used to slide.
No,
Should have
I'm
black
sorry. I'm
mage,
sorry.
don't
I'm sorry.
forget.
I'm sorry.
Into the star.
I trust you.
Show me your strength.
He's a black mage.
I'm a black mage now. Once Luna
Lightning
told
is
me, go for it.
Beast of my blood.
It's a different Ren. Okay, lightning save.
Lightning is safe.
Ren has fire.
Lighting at D. Fire at A. Respect the lightning.
Respect lightning first.
Guardian next. Reorient.
Litany. Battle voice.
Guardian into partners.
Fire Fragile.
You're no match for me.
Partners.
Star 10.
Yeah, the heals feel like crazy. Not gonna lie. Maybe it's the gear. I don't know.
I think you feel heal increase a little bit more than damage increase because you can actually see it.
Let's try something else.
Guardian
Adult.
groups.
Got a rapture.
Show this up.
You're no
Guardian
match
light.
for me.
Go. Twisters are next.
I'm passing over.
Dave.
Link with a second flash. Go.
Found my
Away
faith
from
light.
C.
Away from C.
You're not going anywhere.
You bitch! I'm trying to jump!
That's funny.
Star 10.
Make sure you're the star.
Burnished. Reprisal. Hardest stone on Mika. That's probably too early. But okay.
It's okay. Regen on Mika.
Feeble shield protects
Yes.
nothing.
I'll throw regen too. I'll throw
Lightning
Mike.
is safe.
The game is up.
Lightning is safe.
I'm gonna actually.
I'm essential for Mika.
That one was just on time. Throw a camo for off.
Fire.
First strike. Fire.
Knock out.
Out, or out in.
Out in. And
Away from C.
Star 10.
You're not going anywhere. Fall!
I'm shooting you, right?
Rodian. Into spread.
my reprisal.
Paddled.
You're no match for me.
Nice.
Temperance is
Sunder.
active.
Okay,
Knock
knock back
and
into
fire.
fire. Watch your praise.
Your life is mine for the taking.
Knocked into fire. Watch your praise.
I'm
Furnace
white.
fire.
I'm white.
Waiting for it.
Please put it in the microwave.
Come to Jake. Come to 3.
Oh, come to Jake.
Jake,
Go to
Jake,
Jake. Go to
Jake.
Jake.
Wait.
Tier 3.
And then run to the left after. Wait.
Wait.
Left.
Go. All the way.
Anti.
Keep going.
And
Keep
you back
going.
right
Keep
now?
going.
Good.
Rodian's
Beautiful.
hot window.
Fuck. I used my miss.
Battle
Radiance.
voice.
Rodian's
Litany.
groups.
Shielded.
You're no match for me.
Groups.
Star 10.
Share the star. Burnished.
Remember in the middle, please, for tier 3. One more tier 3 in a second.
I put out regen.
Okay, never mind. I got
I forgot to
sound.
reprise that, my bad.
I'll do just another
Fire
one.
is safe.
Fire safe.
Light!
I'm gonna shield us. Respect
Okay,
this.
okay.
Yep.
Groups. Or pairs.
Paddled.
Yep.
You're no match
Stack
for
after.
me.
Cares. Nice. Hey, he's gonna be a little bit off. It's okay. I'm gonna.
It's okay.
Medic
Hard
is
mitigate.
Was it on you? Okay, I got that. Okay.
A feeble shield protects nothing.
Thunder.
Lightning is safe.
The game
Make
is
your light go opposite the tank.
Star
Lightning
10.
is safe. If it's fire, just stack.
Let me get one more off.
Some
Okay.
blueberry.
It's light.
Super. So I'm
You're
good.
not
Oh,
going
Benny.
anywhere. Fall!
Shielding blueberry. It's gonna explode.
Remember to come in the middle after, please.
Hardly back.
We don't even need tier 3.
Okay, orient yourself.
Prismatic.
The light
Get ready for the
will cleanse your
clones.
sin.
Okay, you ready to go to your spots?
Third bombs.
The light's so strong. I can't see
Right.
anything else.
See in.
B&D.
BT.
B&D. Back
Go
to
back to your
spot.
spots.
Bring
Pour in.
A and C.
Fancy.
Reorient yourself.
Focus up.
AoE and then cycles.
And a dagger.
Star 10.
Burnish.
Member in the middle, please.
Okay, Heart of Light's off, my bad.
Well, no, that's not the one you started light on.
Okay.
One more tier 3.
Actually, it'll be back
Okay.
up. It'll be back up. Fine.
Wait.
Okay, cycles. Pay
Battle.
attention, right?
Heart of
Light. It's groups.
Okay.
Proteins into groups.
Battle
groups,
voice.
Groups. Get to
Go.
the side. Wait for the twister. Do not move early.
Wait.
Go.
Now.
Away from C.
Middle for
See.
heals.
I'm shooting Lucan.
Heal up.
Middle for tier 3
One
after
more.
this. Tier 3. And tier 3 after this as well.
Yep.
Burnish. Next
Stay.
cycle.
Stay in the middle.
In the middle.
Stay in the middle, relative.
It's time we
Next
settle
cycle.
this.
Star
Fire.
10.
Pairs and then knockback. Pairs.
Run to the side.
Knockback with
Side.
Winston.
Respect.
Stack on
Knockback.
C.
Stack on C.
Stack, 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 stack.
I got Rin.
Get rid, yeah.
Look with me.
Okay.
I still have temperance, don't worry.
Lightning. Tank
Okay.
shield off everything.
Middle for heals.
Yep. Stay in the middle for heals.
Dodge the burst strike. The spread. Do not move early.
I have a lot of healing here.
Okay,
though.
please, yeah.
I've
Top
told
sprint if you need to.
long enough.
Lightning. It's spread and then get out for the burst strike. So. Go
Ow.
now.
I just
Double
died.
double
10 seconds.
Tank shit.
Tank shit, tank shit, tank shit. Two.
Sorry, I couldn't move. Adjust. Yeah.
It's okay.
I have thin air and 5.
I have Aurora and Mika.
Okay. Then-
Star 10.
Burnish.
Jake.
Heart of Light.
Middle.
Burnish. Focus on DPS.
Middle.
Hot, if you have it.
New LB.
Only I can protect her.
We got it. Maybe. Maybe.
Keep going,
maybe.
keep going.
1.
3,
Burn, burn, burn.
2. Get it, kill it. Yes!
Yes!
Fucking
Oh
hell.
my god.
Thank God.
Yo, that,
Oh
that
my
30
God.
gauge apex.
I'm sorry, I got
I
clipped.
was like, just push the
It was still a one shot though. Good job, guys.
Oh, you should have bet in there, but it was fun.
Dude, look at. Oh my god.
I'm sorry. I literally thought I moved.
No joke.
I'm sprinting for that one next time.
I'm like pretty close to what the .1 DPS had on this. If I don't get like a purple or like an orange, I'm gonna be upset. I was fucking
Madara
killing it.
literally came up at 0.2%.
Yeah, if I don't get a
Alright,
purple.
so he said I'm getting the pants, right? From this, and then Lucan's getting the twine.
Yeah, you
No,
should
he
get the
didn't.
pants.
Okay.
And then
Um,
Lucan
my-
is getting.
No picture,
no.
picture.
Picture.
Picture first. No one's getting shit to it.
No, we can do the loot and then we
Wait,
have
don't,
the rest
yeah,
of the
don't,
time to do.
don't roll yet. So Jake is definitely getting pants. I don't know who's getting twine because Lucan
My-
got the.
All I
other
need
thing.
from this fight
Yeah.
is twine.
Okay.
I take that back. I need pants and I need twine. I need
Okay.
3 twine,
Boots are
Okay.
bis for raid, but my legs are from tomes.
so I don't need boots and
So.
I don't. That is-
Okay.
Wait,